make money as a video editor. I tried everything, but I can't get clients. People just ignore me in the DMs. Hi, my name is Tuna. I've been a professional YouTube editor for the last 3 years of my life, and because of my video editing skills, I've generated over 180 million views for my clients, and along my career, I managed to work with over 18 YouTubers. Because of video editing, I was able to live in London, Thailand, Istanbul, and I'm in fucking Bali right now. I literally came back from surfing, bro. I don't know if you can see, but I literally just got paid $257. My work ended at 1. I went surfing, came back, boom, fucking $250. And you want to know the best part about video editing? Before video editing, I was a broke student who used to live in a literal crack house before I discovered making money with video editing. Like, by broke, I mean broke. Like, I fucking slept in a tent, and I hustled for months in that crack house I used to live in. So I'm editing this footage for Demo. The whole footage is 3 hours long, and this is just a trial. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I got my first paycheck, which was $2,000, and after that, my life was never the same. So if you're watching this video right now, you probably want a location and time freedom that you could get with video editing. Maybe you don't ever see yourself working a 9-to-5 job. You want something more fun and interesting. In this video, I'm not gonna teach you how to make $10,000 per month as a video editor. I'm not gonna teach you, bro, become a millionaire, follow my 4-step blueprint. No. Yeah, if you're interested in a life like this, work in your underwear whenever you want, and then go run at the beach, and then come back, finish up your work, and make a couple $100. The idea of that sounds cool to you, keep watching. Also, check the links below where you can find my editing assets pack with over 4,000 sound effects and animations and presets and more. So let's get into the secrets of making money with video editing. Stop falling for the hype. I truly mean this. This can literally ruin your life. You're so lucky that you found this video, because most likely you're feeling stuck right now with video editing. You're not making the money that you want to make. You're getting ignored by the people that you want to work for. Nothing seems to be going your way. So what do? You go on YouTube and search for information, and here pops like these videos with insane claims. Make $500 in a day with the video editing, and like fucking thumbnails like, you know, the guy's just like doing this. You get what I mean, right? The honest truth is that these people have to claim to make a lot of money because they sell a $500 course. They make you think that there's like a 4-step blueprint for printing cash with video editing. There isn't. It's all bullshit. It's all fucking made up sales shit. Alright? People are just trying to sell you a course. And on top of that, if we look at these video editors and how they truly make their money, it's from their YouTube channel and their course sales. I actually work with YouTubers, and these YouTubers, they have to make you feel like shit, make you feel like you are behind in life, and make it seem like if you purchase their $500 course for video editing, getting clients, making money, your whole life is gonna change after that purchase. I actually got into sales for a bit.
Looking at it, bro, we gotta go ahead and get in at least 10,000.
And I had a mentor. Do you wanna know what she told me? When they cry, they buy. You understand how fucked up that is? If I wanted to sell you something and I made this video and I made you feel like shit, you're more likely to purchase my product, are you not? I'll be the first YouTuber to ever tell you this. You're doing good. You're doing alright. You shouldn't feel like shit. You're not stuck in life. You're not behind. No one's like running past you or fucking all getting this shit. You're not behind. It's all these YouTubers putting these ideas in your head that you suck, but you don't. You don't need to purchase shit right now. You're just learning how to be a good editor. Imagine if you were a farmer and you plant a seed. You would know that the crops will grow a year from now on. You would know to be patient and just water the seed every day, regardless of the results. If you were a farmer, you wouldn't get depressed because you didn't get any crops 2 months from now on. You wouldn't watch on YouTube, oh, how to make crops grow faster tutorials, would you? And you need to realize that video editing is a skill. And trust me when I say this, when you become good enough at video editing, you will eventually make money. I know this because my first client had 1 million subs and I still work with him until this day. Please, instead of focusing on the results, focus on becoming a better video editor. This is the one secret for making a lot of money with video editing. If you had an athlete who wanted to make more money, maybe he's a basketball player, a football player, or whatever, right? Would you advise him to focus on becoming a better athlete or buying a course on how to make answer is obvious, right? You would tell them, oh yeah, just be a better athlete and eventually you'll make more money. So why do you not think the same for yourself? The only time where results come before hard work is in the dictionary, man. And I'll give you a real life example. I work with this YouTuber called Lockdown Life, and he asked me to do his first short. You can watch it on his channel right now. I edited that short. So I said I would charge him between 30 and 50 bucks. But then I decided to learn a new skill. I decided to get better at video editing. I decided I was going to edit this like super well, just going to make it like high retention, do my best, even better than I was doing before. So I spent a couple hours, I think 2 hours, 3 hours or so, learning how to do like a spinning weapon effect in Minecraft. I did that effect and some VFX for the whole video. And after the video was done, I told him about how it took me a long time and how I did these effects. Then I asked him if he could pay me $100 rather than the agreed $30 to $50. And he said yes, and I had $100. I literally tripled the amount of money that I made by focusing on getting better as a video editor and learning a new skill, which was like the 3D animation, like Minecraft animation, right? I didn't focus on making money, I didn't focus on this and that. I just focused on improving my skills as a video editor, did my best, you really liked it, could you pay me extra? And it was like, yes, that's all I did. So you need to understand, to make money, to make more money, to charge more, you need to get better. You may not believe it, but we live in a fair world and you get paid what you are worth. And most people watching this video right now, you probably cannot edit shorts like I do. You probably cannot make videos like this. And that's why you'll probably be stuck making shorts for like $5, $15 at most. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make like shorts like me, I have a course. If you just check the description, I have a course telling you how I make my shorts. I take you through the whole process, like a 2-hour course. But if you knew what I knew and how to edit like me, you could also make $100 per short, but you don't. And that's why I'm special, and that's why I work with so many clients, and that's why I have so many millions of views. Instead of like doing shitty shorts and only getting paid $10, $15, you just need to put in your time and get better. And when God is ready to bless you with the money, the lifestyle, with the, maybe you want to go to Bali, maybe you want to go to Thailand, whatever. When God thinks you are ready, when you become a good editor, it will come easily. I promise you. You may not believe it. You might be like messaging people, like getting ignored, not getting anything back. But trust me, once you become good, once you become undeniable, this shit comes easily. And then the thousands of dollars start rolling in. I promise you. So please, for the sake of your own mental health, stop watching these like make money online videos and focus on improving your skills and becoming a better video editor, because all these videos do is make you feel like crap and make you want to buy their course. You don't need this stuff. Just become a better editor. That's all you can do. And if you want to become a better video editor, I got tons of tutorials on this channel, and I have courses as well. You can check them out in the links below. If you need like my one-to-one help, maybe you just want to hop on a call with me for me to like show you how to edit a gaming video vlog. If you want to learn Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, or if you just need like some money advice, you can book a one-to-one call with me. So that is in the description if you want to check it out. That being said, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video, and comment below what you want me to make a video on about next. And next time I'll see you. Hope you have a great day, hope you have a great night, and I am rooting for you and I believe in you. So let's get it, man.